Alright guys, so we are going to go ahead and go through dividing problems today. So, fun fact, we never actually divide fractions. We turn them into multiplication problems! Woo! So what we're going to do is, to turn this into a multiplication problem, we flip and multiply by the second fraction. And I can't, I'm writing into it myself today. So that first guy stays the same. And then I flip and multiply by the other guy. Alright, so now it just looks like what we've done yesterday. And a couple days before that. So taking a look at the top, I can divide out a 5. So I'm left with x squared plus 2x minus 3. Which I still have to factor. But baby steps. On the bottom, I can go ahead and do my x and x. Multiplies to 5, adds to negative 6. Negative 5 and negative 1. Gonna leave that off to the side for a second. Because if you notice, I have to do some t-factoring here. So on the top, I notice I can't divide anything out. So I take my 4 times negative 5, which is negative 20. And I ask myself, what multiplies to negative 20 adds to negative 8? I got 1 and 20, which isn't going to help. I got 2 and 10, 4 and 5. That's all I got. So I'm going to use these guys. I wanted negative 10, positive 2. So I have 4x squared plus 2x minus 10x minus 5. Gonna divide out a 2x from that, and I'm left with 2x plus 1. Leave a little space, right? 2x plus 1 again. Negative 10 divided by 2 is negative 5. So the top part of my new fraction is going to be 2x plus 1 times 2x minus 5. And then I have to do the same idea for my denominator. So I'm going to multiply to 2 times 3, which is 6. Well, multiplies to 6 adds to 7. There you go, 6 and 1. So I have 2x squared plus 6x plus x plus 3. So what divides out of this? I can take it out of 2x. I'm left with x plus 3. Leave a little space, write x plus 3. X divided by x is 1. So my second denominator is x plus 3 times 2x plus 1. And then we get to start canceling stuff out. We didn't finish factoring, did I? Nope. So you're like, hey, Miss Kimmy, we didn't do anything with this thing. We didn't. We forgot to do it. Okay. So let's go ahead and factor that. So I've got my 2 sets of parentheses. Multiplies to x squared is x and x. Multiplies to negative 3 adds to 2. Positive 3. Ugh, that just looks like 13. Positive 3 minus 1. Now we can go ahead and try and cancel stuff out. So say goodbye to my x plus 1s. Say goodbye to my 2x plus 1s. Say goodbye to my x plus 3s. And all I have left is 5 times 2x minus 5 over x minus 5. Alright, so remember, all we're doing is flipping and multiplying because we like to turn things into multiplication. My first one stays the same. So I have x squared minus x minus 12 over 2x squared times 8x squared over x squared minus 16. And if I notice I don't have to t-factor any of these, so I can go ahead and start going straight into my 2 sets of parentheses. On the bottom, I don't have any other terms, so he's just going to say 2x squared. So x and x multiply to x squared, multiplies to negative 12, adds to negative 1. Oh, we got what? 12. We got 2 and 6. We got 3 and 4. Which of those pairs are going to give me a negative 1? That guy. So I want a negative 4 plus 3. Again, my 8x squared is not really going to factor. There's nothing going on with it. He's down there all by himself, or he's up there all by himself. Well, multiplies to x squared. I get x and x. Multiplies to negative 16, adds to 0. Is a negative 4 and a plus 4. So let's go ahead and divide some stuff out. So goodbye to my x minus 4s. 8 divided by 2 gives me a 4. X squared cancels out with my x squared. So I'm left with 4 times x plus 3 over x plus 4. Alright, I want you to try these individually and check them. So come back in a moment. Pause video. Alright, there is my first answer. There is my second answer. We did it!